who was that first person je tumko kahila je na you are good in this and you should take this
Me myself
as a career?
there are a lot of talents in Odisha जो माने को जो opportunity जो stage मिलिवा कथा तांको मिलुनी and Vaishali is definitely one of them. She is a brilliant performer, brilliant actress. One bowl of pakhala is all I need in the whole day. तो मु कहली मते आउ किछि कुआडे देखा जाउनी मु हीरोइन हेबी. I don't demand much. I just say this one thing to God. जोटा मो पई ठीक सेटा को रखो जोटा मो पई ठीक नै ताको काटी दियो मो साइड.
Do you reply your fans?
I replied as much as I can.
Prakriti Mishra minus the social media image. Who is that Prakriti Mishra? And how is she actually?
I'm Dora the Explorer. मो पाई कि मोर थॉट प्रोसेस मु कोन भाबे मो विषय सेटा सब बेले ऊपर रही छि देन व्हाट पीपल थिंक ऑफ मी.
Competition affects you? समझते कौन जी मैं तो खुद के साथ मु निजे साथी रे compete करछि.
मु निजे कंपटीशन एंड ऑल दिस इज बुलशिट. देयर इज कंपटीशन, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंपटीशन.
Love making friends. सांगा बने भल लागे.
मते टिके सब गप्पुडी माने भल लागे.
Spiritual.
सकाळ 5 टा पूजा जाने आकुवारे.
What made us change? भल बने.
ऑन
The passion to always keep going, keep hustling is her answer to many who like her and to many who dislike her. They're both hardworking. She is multi-talented and a national award winner as an actor. Camera तांको बहुत भल पाए, आउ controversies तांको टिके अधिक भल पाए. I'm so happy to have her in my studio. A podcast आपनों का perception change कर दबो. Let's welcome actor who have made it larger in Hollywood and Bollywood, the very graceful Prakriti Mishra.
Hello, hi. Thank you so much for having me in your podcast.
How are you feeling, Prakriti? Because you're looking great.
Thank you.
You have an effervescent look, always like you glow where you go. But the recently I saw you glowing with a divine beauty. आपसे गीतरा थिला मो कालिया मु एबे देखली लास्ट टाइम मु कथा होतली तम संगरे and while I was checking your details on social media mu देखली I came across that song mo kaliya and trust me I fell in love with the song. एते सुंदर गीतटा हेछि and how come सेटा मो फीट रे आसलानी मु जानि पेलेनी माने केमती मु मिस करि गेली.
So, Mo Kaliya is one of the releases in my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel is a very new baby right now.
अच्छा.
Because समस्त मते कहले तमे vlogs काहे बनाउन तमे काहे कि YouTube channel खोलु न. तो then I thought कि I should give it a try. Like I have an Instagram, I have Facebook, everything, but not a YouTube. So what I thought कि मो YouTube रे जेहेतु मो गीत गाउची एबे, why not put my musical content there rather than just making normal vlogs? Because vlogging everybody is doing, and for me, actually, I think it's very difficult to vlog. So I decided to put my musical work in the YouTube. So my YouTube channel is बहुत नुआ, but बहुत लोग बहुत भल पाया दो चंदी बहुत subscribers भी है already. And I intend to keep it very musical. So इसलिए जगन्नाथ परिक्रमा हेला जते बले पूरा reconstruct हेला मंदिर चारिपटे. So I had this beautiful idea of making this devotional song for Jagannath. और मु नन्ना को संगे बहुत वर्ष परे गोटे प्रोजेक्ट कली जोटा एते मात्रा लोक मानको बढ़िया लागिला. एंड मो कालिया लेखाटा भी बढ़िया लिखिचंदी नना एंड कंपोज भी बडे नुआ स्टाइल रे
मनमत लिखिचंदी भी कंपोज भी करछन. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. इट इज ब्यूटीफul, divine.
We have done the production in Bombay. One of my friend Nakul, he did the production. So I thought कि मैंने गोटे किछि गोटे डिवोशनल गीत ठीक है आज का जनरेशन माने गोटे कि भल लागिवो.
से सेटटा द सेट हैज अ सेटर ओटा अलगा ब्यूटी अछि सेटर.
Yes, Deepak bhai, the very very talented DOP director. Deepak bhai has actually directed and done the cinematography of the song. एटी भिंगारपुर रे गोटे संध्या बेले शूट करछु हमें. It hardly took us 4 and 5 hours to shoot, but I was very impressed कि when you have the interest to do something great, everything falls into its place. There's no excuses in that.
And who did your costume?
Me, myself.
Sari re you were looking absolutely graceful.
There's this brand called Suta Bombay. So the owners are from Odisha. So we approached them and they always keep sending their goodies and everything to collaborate with them. So I thought, why not put ଆମରି ମାନେ ଆମରି ଝିଅ
ଆମରି
ମାନେ
creation, हाँ।
ଆମରି creations,
बहुत
let's
सुंदर।
have everyone on board. Yeah, so
Yeah.
it was a great project and बहुत लोगों को बढ़िया लग मो कालिया.
बहुत सुंदर ହେଇଛି.
हाँ, very different than what usually we hear in bhajans.
Yes. So Prakriti, you love making friends? ସାଙ୍ଗ ବନେଇବାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ କି?
ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ୍ कि डुडू को खाଇବା न दियो किछि न दियो तो खाली सांगମାନଙ୍କ पाखरे बसेई दियो तार ହେଇଯିବ जीवन जीविका. मैं यारों का यार हूँ एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड दिस. आई एम एक्चुअली बॉट अप मोस्टली विथ माई फ्रेंड्स एंड मोर फ्रेंड सर्कल आर माई पिलर्स and they are the only reason that I'm standing strong right now. And most of my friends are from nursery, UKG, LKG. मैंने 20 वर्ष 22 वर्ष पुराना सब सांग. So I have very strong ethics when it comes to friendships.
Very strong bonds.
Very strong bonds, very strong bonds.
ତମର କିଛି parameters ଅଛି କି to choose a friend?
Not really. Like I really like people those are very open and मते टिके सब गप्पुडी माने भल लगंती माने जो माने को पेटरे किछि नथे and people who like to just say everything. I vibe with people, I love humans and जहाँ संगे मो connect करे मोर ओडा अलगा bond हे जाय.
That's true.
Yeah.
So you are a singer, you are an actor, you are a dancer. ଏବେ recently ଗୋଟେ reel ରେ ଦେଖିଲି you collaborating with Vaishali.
Yeah, we did a Odissi for Utkal Divas.
Utkal Divas.
Yes.
ସେଇଟା ବି ବହୁତ stunningly graceful
Yes.
ହେଇଛି.
Thank you.
Even she is a beautiful
She's brilliant.
dancer.
She's a beautiful dancer, very underrated actor. And we'll talk about this actually in this podcast probably that there are a lot of talents in Odisha जो माने को जो opportunity जो stage मिलिबा कथा तांको मिलुनी and Vaishali is definitely one of them. She is a brilliant performer, brilliant actress.
You know how beautiful it is to hear from a co-actor acknowledging the
Yeah.
quality, the beauty of others' talent.
I am mesmerized with talents. I have always appreciated because I am very confident with my own talent. So I know that कि जितने बड़े गोटे मनुष्य को देखे जे बहुत कष्ट करची जे बहुत परिश्रम करची and somebody who's trying really hard and they are talented, I feel very connected to them कि अरे she deserves this spot.
Ah.
Like that. That's like a very genuine feeling that comes from within.
Now, who told you, who helped you? तुमको जाने किए तो कहती that you know you are good in this, you are good in acting, you are good in entertaining, you are good in dancing, you are a good singer. Who was that first person जो तुमको कहला जे ना you are good in this and you should take this
Me myself.
as a career?
Why I'll tell you. Because ମୁଁ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ଟର ଥିଲି ସो ମୁଁ ଛୁଆ ବେଳୁ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଫିଲ୍ମସରେ ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋର ଆଇ ୟୁଜ୍ ଟୁ ଡୁ ଦିସ୍ ସିରିଏଲ୍ କଲ୍ଡ ତୁଳସୀ which was the mega serial and which was the
Correct.
longest running
Serial.
mega serial of Odisha and I was a part of it so people kind of have a special relation with me from that show. तो मते घरे पचाले 10th बेले कि do you really want to be an actor? तो मु कहली मते आउ किछि कुआडे देखा जाउनी मु हीरोइन हेबी. So my parents asked me, what do you want to become? Because ମୁଁ ଗୀତ ବି ଗାଉଥିଲି, ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ବି ଶିଖୁଥିଲି, acting ବି କରୁଥିଲି. ତ ଘରେ ବି confused ଥିଲେ ଯେ ଇଏ ହବ କ'ଣ ୟାକୁ ତ ଇଏ ତ ସବୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି. So then I was like, no, I have to do this. I always wanted to be on screen. And ଯେହେତୁ ଛୁଆ ବେଳୁ exposure ବି ମିଳିଥିଲା କ୍ୟାମେରା ସାମ୍ନାରେ. So I kind of loved the whole process. ନନା definitely ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ମୁଁ singer ହୁଏ. ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ୱେରେ ମୋ ଲାଇଫକୁ ଆସିଲା ସିଙ୍ଗିଂ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ୍. ବଟ୍ ନାଉ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ I am kabhi naika and kabhi gaika. So I'm like okay with both of them.
Okay. So are you spiritual?
Very much.
Very much.
Yeah.
ଆଉ କୋଉ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କୁ ବେଶୀ
ଗୋଟିଏ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ତାଙ୍କ ମାନେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କରି ସବୁ ଅବତାରକୁ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଇଭେନ୍ ଆଇ ବର୍ସିପ୍ ମାନେ ଦୁର୍ଗା ମାଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ମାନେ even all the so male god mane tige besi importance pandi but I think female goddesses are equally powerful and more powerful.
They're more powerful.
So now I have also started spiritually exploring the Shakti. More than the ମାନେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ବଣ୍ଡ ତ ଆମ ମାନେ ଘର ଠାକୁର କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଶକ୍ତି ଉପରେ ବେଶୀ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରୁଛି. I am kind of watching a lot of videos, knowing a lot about the goddesses and their histories. କୋଉଠି କ'ଣ ଅଛି ମୋତେ କାମାକ୍ଷା ମନ୍ଦିର ଯିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଇଚ୍ଛା which is located in I have never been there.
ମୁଁ ଯାଇଛି.
I have never been there.
You feel
there's something that you feel there.
You
I have
feel
heard.
a different vibe.
Yeah.
ଗୋଟେ ଶକ୍ତି ଅଛି ସେଠି.
There's something ମୁଁ ବି ବହୁତ ଶୁଣିଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିବ ତା ଭିତରେ you will your thought processes will get affected in a different way.
wow
अलगा लगी बहुत बहुत अलगा फील हबो तुमको लगी you will feel certain kind of energy, that's it.
I've heard a lot, and one of my friend actually, she had gone to Kamakya Devi Mandir, and she kind of came back a very different person altogether. So mate ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଲାଇଫରେ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଜିନିଷ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋର କରିକି ବୁଲି କି ସବୁ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ମୋର କିଛି ବର୍ଷ ହେବ ଟିକେ ସ୍ପିରିଚୁଆଲିଜିମ୍ ଉପରେ କାଫି ବେଶୀ ଇନକ୍ଲାଇନ୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମୁଁ, and I think I'm getting a lot of peace from there.
So how do you pray? You have your own way to pray. You pray in a certain time. ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ସଞ୍ଜ ବେଳେ ଯାଇକି ମୁଣ୍ଡିଆ ମାରୁ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କୁ, ସକାଳୁ ଉଠିଲେ ଗାଧିକିନା ମୁଣ୍ଡିଆ ମାରୁ. Do you have something like that?
ଘରେ ମାନେ ବମ୍ବେରେ ଯୋଉଠି ମୁଁ ରୁହେ ଏଠି ତ ଆମର ଠାକୁର ଘର ଅଛି, ଜେଜେମା ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଏଠି ତ ସକାଳ 5ଟା ବେଳୁ ପୂଜା ଚାଲେ ଆମ ଘରେ, ଆଣ୍ଡ ନନା ବୋଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ପୂଜା ଚାଲିଥାଏ ଆମ ଘରେ ପୁରା. ବଟ୍ ବମ୍ବେରେ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଅ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ମନ୍ଦିର, ଯେହେତୁ ସେଠି ଘର, ୟୁ ନୋ ହାଉ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍. ସୋ ଗାଧେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରର ଧୂପଟା ଇଜ୍ ମଷ୍ଟ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଇ ଡୁ ଏଭ୍ରି ଟାଇମ୍. ସେଇଟାରେ ଖାଲି ଏଇଟା ଥାଏ କି ଆଉ କେତେ ଦିନ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଟିକେ କର, ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ କ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ପ୍ରେୟର କରେ, ମାନେ ମାଇ ପ୍ରେୟର୍ସ ଆର୍ ଭେରି କ'ଣ ତା କୁହନ୍ତି, ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ମଚ୍, ଆଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ସେ ଦିସ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଟୁ ଗଡ୍. ଯୋଉଠି ବସି ବି ଥାଏ, ଧର ଗାଡ଼ି ବି ଚଲାଉଥାଏ, ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ଅଜିବ ଲାଗେ କି ବହୁତ ଆଙ୍ଗସିୟସ୍ ଫିଲ୍ ହୁଏ, ଖାଲି ଏତିକି କୁହେ କି ଯୋଉଟା ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଠିକ୍ ସେଟାକୁ ରଖ, ଯୋଉଟା ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଠିକ୍ ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ କାଟିଦିଅ ମୋ ସାଇଡ଼୍ରୁ. ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଓନ୍ଲି ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଇ always pray. Like when it comes to asking something when I'm vulnerable, I only say this one thing, which is good, keep it, which is not good, please remove it. ଆଉ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ତ ମନ୍ଦିର ଗଲେ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି କାନ୍ଦେ, କ'ଣ ହେଇଯାଏ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନୋ, ମୁଁ ଭାବିକି ଜାଗାରେ ଆଜି କାନ୍ଦିବିନି, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଇ ସି ହିମ୍ ଆଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗେଟ୍ ନମ୍ବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଫିଲ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ସରେଣ୍ଡରିଂ
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଫିଲ୍ ଥାଏ. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କରେ, 1 2 3 4 5 ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିବି, ମାଗି କିନ୍ତୁ ଭିତରକୁ ଦ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଏଣ୍ଟର ସବୁ ଭୁଲିଯାଏ, ସବୁ
ୟୁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗେଟ୍ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ.
କୁହା ବି ହେଇଛି ତମେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସେଇଠି କିଛି ମାଗିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ, ଆସିକି ସମୁଦ୍ର ପାଖରେ ମାଗିବ, ସମୁଦ୍ର ତମକୁ ସବୁ ସମୁଦ୍ର ଠାକୁର ତମକୁ ସବୁ ଫେରେଇ ଦେବେ.
ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମାଗିବା ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଛି. ମୁଁ ମାନେ ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଯେମିତିକି ମାନେ ଏଇଠି ଭଗବାନ ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହିସାବରେ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି, ସିଏ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଦୁନିଆକୁ କି ଭାଇ ଦେଖ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ହେଉଛି, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲର୍ନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଲସୋ ଗେଟ୍ ଇନ୍ସପାୟର୍ଡ. ଆଇ ଫିଲ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍, ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ୱାଇ ଆଇ ଫିଲ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନିଡ୍ ଟୁ ଆସ୍କ ହିମ୍ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ, ଆଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ନିଡ୍ ଟୁ ଟେଲ୍ ହିମ୍ କି ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ପୁଟ୍ ମି ଇନ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନିଡ୍ ଟୁ ବି. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଅଲ୍.
ସମୁଦ୍ର ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ବେଳକୁ ମାନେ ମନରେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆସିଲା, ବିକଜ I love to travel. So are you a beach person or a mountain person?
I'm a mountain person. Any day. I'm a beach person if the beach has rocks.
Acha.
Yeah,
okay.
like I need some kind of edginess to the view. Because beach रे बसला पर गोटे point of time पर आउ किसी देखा जाए नहीं. गोवा रे situation है ठीक है अलगा, because you're not just there to see the beach. So
सेठी पहाड़ भी अच्छी.
हाँ सेठी सब mixture of everything is there. So I like Goa. Because you can also explore the mountain side, you can also explore the beach side, but I am usually a
so when you go to the mountain माने कौन मनरे आसे
मो जीवन रे किछि भी स्ट्रेस हैला ना, किछि भी मते लागे कि अरे भल लागुनी, आज कहीं भल लागुनी, माने एबे कहीं कि कोन टे ठीक चलेनी, कोन टा गोटे असुविधा लागुची, आई इमीडिएटली पैक माय बैग्स एंड आई लीव टू माउंटेन्स. पहाड़ जाय कि सब ठीक हो जाय.
This is our connecting link. So I am a very mountain person. I'm a very mountain person. I can sit in front of the mountain, especially Himalayas. Samare mu basili. I am a different person. I shed tears. I talk to Lord Shiva. In my own ways. I sing songs loudly.
Arey wow. That's also something that is.
It's very liberating when I do that.
Yeah.
And I liberate then and there, and I come back.
That's really beautiful. I think पहाड़ बहुत किछि नहीं जाए, बहुत किछि वापस देई के छाड़े.
Like it kind of ओडिया बड़ा फेमस गीत अछि एई जे बनलता पहाड़
आहा की केडे सुंदर
एठी दिन सरे ना
एठी राते सरे. Yeah, I mean mountains have their own charm and beauty. I think they kind of heal you, and that's why people rush to mountains. ମୁଁ बहुत गुडे solo trips भी जाइछि. These are some unknowing things about me and my life. People always think that I'm surrounded with lot of people. So me and one of my best friends Neha from Bombay, like she's an Odia but she lives in Bombay. We planned कि हमें तीजों जाको solo trip रे जिबा. So what we did, we packed our bags, we went to Dharamshala and we split it.
Okay.
So it's kind of a solo trip, but you know that you guys are like close by. କାରଣ ମୋ ଘରେ ଟିକେ ଏଇଟା ଥାଏ କି କୁଆଡ଼େ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଯିବୁନି ସବୁ ସେଇ ସବୁ କନସର୍ନସ୍ ଥାଏ, ବଟ୍ ଆଇ ଏନ୍ଜୟ ସୋଲୋ ଟ୍ରିପ୍ସ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ.
ମତେ ଜଣେ କହିଥିଲା, ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ସାଙ୍ଗଟେ କହିଥିଲା ଯେ you must go on a solo trip
100%
and maybe the first 3-4 hours
is
will torture you,
yeah.
but tapre when you get your own zone you'll be zoned out.
It's a
with
beautiful
yourself.
experience.
Huh?
It's a beautiful experience, and solo traveling is one of the most कौन ताको कहंदी, that's like a help that you do to yourself, because solo traveling kind of opens up a lot of new things in your life. You get to know a lot of other people's story. तुमको लगे तुम problem life रो सबटू बड़ा, but when you hear other people's problem you feel like अरे भाई मु तो बहुत ठीक अछि. There are a lot of things like you experience everything with your own self. You connect back to your own soul. So ए सब जिनस एक्चुअली बहुत important. आज का जो जहाँ चली सब एते chaos.
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन पे समय मिल जाए.
हाँ, बहुत इंट्रोस्पेक्शन रो समय मिल जाए आई थिंक. एंड सोलो ट्रिप तो मु भी समस्त को कि भाई गोटे थर तो लाइफ रे करबा कथा जाय कि एकुटिया टिके बुली के आस विदाउट एनीबॉडी अराउंड.
So do you cook?
I do cook
And
when it is chopped.
something you are very confident that मोठु एटा केही भलो बने परिबेनी.
अंडा दुनियार सबुठु बेस्ट अंडा like I make the best eggs. You tell me to cook any kind of egg. माने चीज ऑमलेट, बॉइल्ड एग, माने बॉइल्ड ऑमलेट जो पानी रे ऑमलेट बने, पानी रे सनी साइड अप बने, all kind of egg expertise. I am the one person to contact.
So I think you're fond of eggs also.
I am okay, that
Or it is-
sounded
or-
very wrong.
Or maybe it is like it is a
Yeah.
easy
It is easy.
breakfast, easy lunch, easy dinner.
Everything easy about eggs, but ମୁଁ ଭେଣ୍ଡି ଭଜା ବଢ଼ିଆ ବନାଏ. ଏ ଯୋଉ ଭେଣ୍ଡିରେ ମ୍ୟାଜିକ୍ ମସଲା ପକେଇକି ତାକୁ ତେଲରେ ଫ୍ରାଏ କରିକି, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଚିକେନ ର ଯୋଉ ଲେମନ ଚିକେନ ବଢ଼ିଆ ବନାଏ, ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଗାର୍ଲିକ ଆଉ କ୍ୟାପ୍ସିକମ ର କାମ ଖାଲି, ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ମସଲା କଷାକଷିରେ ଟିକେ ମାନେ ବନେଇଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ବନେଇଦେବି, କରିପାରିବି ସବୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ କୁକିଂରେ ମୋର ଟିକେ କମ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ.
So which is your go-to food? Anytime, anywhere.
Anytime, anywhere is actually something that my ମାନେ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଖାଇବା ମାନେ କୁକ୍ ଅଛି ବମ୍ବେରେ ଯେ ସେଠି करे, बिकज ମୁଁ ରନ୍ଧା ବଢ଼ା ଏତେ ଭଲ ସେ କରିପାରେନି, ସମୟ ବି ହୁଏନି ସେଠି. ତ ମାଇ ଗो ଟୁ ଫୁଡ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଦହି ପଖାଳ, ଆଳୁ ଭଜା, ଭେଣ୍ଡି ପୋଡ଼ା. ମାନେ ଯଦି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅପସନ୍, ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବିହାରର ପିଲାଟା, ତ ତାଙ୍କର ସେଆଡ଼େ ଖାଆନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ କୁହନ୍ତି. ତ କାଲକାଟାରେ ପାନ୍ତ ଭାନ୍ତ କୁହନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ କୁହନ୍ତି ତାକୁ. ତ ସିଏ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତାକୁ ମୁଁ କହିବି ପାଣି ଡାଲ ଦो, चावल में पानी डाल दो, दही डाल दो, से सब शिखेकी रेडी करके रखी. फटाफट 2टा गुंडा पानी टिके पीकी टंक तोराणी टाइप पी देकी आलू भजा टे खाई रेडी. द होल डे आई एम सॉर्टेड इन बॉम्बे. 1 bowl of pakhalo is all I need in the whole day. No, but that's a genuine thing. I eat a lot of pakhalo. People don't believe it, but I eat a lot of pakhalo.
And you eat a lot of pakhalo.
Yeah.
And you keep slim.
हाँ.
केमिति?
मत लगे अधा जिनस मोर मो एनर्जी खाई जाए मो बॉडी रे. मैंने केमती बुझेबी. ओके, सो माय ब्रेन कंज्यूम्स मोर फूड देन माय बॉडी कंज्यूम्स. Yeah, that's a fact. I have studied about it as well. So you actually mentally become slim more than you physically become slim.
Oh, okay.
So I always think मु ठीक अछि, मु ठीक अछि, मु ठीक अछि, मो पेट कम.
I'm in shape.
I'm in shape.
It is like manifesting, huh?
Yeah. True. मत सब वर्कआउट सब जिम इंस्ट्रक्टर माने पॉडकास्ट पर डीएम रे सब सोधिबे.
So are you very a fitness freak?
I am a fitness freak. I love working out. I do work out a lot, but I'm not somebody who would very aggressively do it. Like I don't mind a little love handles. I don't mind a little bit of extra fat in my body, because I kind of think that it's okay, it's healthy. It's not necessary to always look a 0-figured person. I eat everything. मैं 3-4 मास पूरा एकदम hardcore workout करे, and then 2 months I don't do anything. I just kind of control my
So you do a lot of strength training, or you go for a jogging or a brisk walk?
No, I do a lot of weight training.
Yeah.
I love weight training. That's something that kind of also keeps me very relaxed. I kind of let all my everything go off. So weight training is something that I enjoy a lot. And I also do a lot of functional. Functional and weight training has always been my go-to combos.
Okay.
I hate cardio. I don't like doing those typical workouts. I would rather go to a pole dance class. I'm also learning that. I do a lot of activities rather than just doing this.
Correct, because even I'm not a very gym person. It looks also. Maybe I would love to play a sport.
Yeah, sport is
Then
that's something
going
that
to the gym
excites
and
me.
lifting some weights and
Yeah.
stuff. So this was all about physical fitness, but then you and mental fitness. And then Satyavali, you can say that your brain functions so well
Yeah.
that you can overdo the anxiety. But coming to anxiety, and before that, how do you are a very social media person. You are people watch you in social media, and you have a very loyal
Yeah.
fan following.
Yeah.
ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି ତମର post ଗୁଡ଼ାର engagements are really
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
है ना?
I've been very blessed that way.
So do you reply your fans?
I replied as much as I can. Like I make sure that I reply to as much as I can. Also, as we were speaking about mental health, I think जमती मैं कहले कि most of the खाना मोर brain निये than my body is what I want to tell, that कि you need to actually have a very healthy mental health than your physical health, because your entire head office is here.
Correct.
This is just what you're biologically made of.
Yes, step
এইটা যদি কাମ କରିବ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ଏଇଟା ଯଦି କାମ କରିବନି ତାହେଲେ ଏଇ ବଡିର ତମେ ଯେତେ ୱାର୍କଆଉଟ୍ କଲେ ବି ତମ ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା ସେ ଗଧ ଭଳିଆ ହିଁ ଚାଲିବ. ତ ଆଇ ଫିଲ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଗିଭ୍ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍, ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ନର୍ଚର୍, ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଲଭ୍ ଟୁ योर ବ୍ରେନ୍. And ମାନେ self love is actually the key to have a good mental health.
And self love is a very big word. I mean,
Yeah.
ଗୋଟେ session ପୁରା self love
ଆମ podcast ସରିଯିବ self love ରେ.
ସରିଯିବ.
And I'm glad that people are getting aware of it and everything. And coming back to replying to all the audiences that I have, all the people that kind of follow me on Instagram, mate lage ki jo mane I have a group of people. There are some haters, there are a lot of lovers. Tanko bhitar ote battle chale. If you come to my Instagram profile and pictures you see, comments are way more entertaining than my post and what is happening around. So that is why I kind of reply to people, those who need to understand a lot of things. Maybe ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୋ ରିପ୍ଲାଇଟା ଏଇଟା ବୁଝେଇବ ଯେ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ବନ୍ଦ କର. It's not cool to do such things. And to some, those who are really, really supporting me, and those who are my loyal fans, those who really like me the way I am, they feel very relatable with my personality. So I kind of, I want to have them as my family. So
A lot
I
of
really,
people also find you very fearless.
yeah, that's something that I get to hear a lot.
Huh? But Prakriti Mishra minus the social media image. Social ତମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବାହାର ଲୋକଟା କେମିତି ଜାଣିଛି? Through your Facebook, through your Instagram.
Correct.
है ना? So who is that Prakriti Mishra? And how is she actually?
I'm Dora the Explorer. I have how do I say this, like ମତେ ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ କହିଲି କି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ମୋର ପର୍ପସ୍ କ'ଣ. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କଳାକାର. ମୋର ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ହୁଏ, ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ହେଇଛି. ପିପଲ୍ that has all created a lot of chaos and lot of everything, but at the same time I have got immense love, immense respect and immense of support from the same community. So what I feel that ki probably I am sent for some other reason to this world, to show people that how strong someone can become. And the whole world kind of ସମସ୍ତେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି କ'ଣ ସବୁ କରିକି କେମିତି ସବୁ ଖରାପ କରିଦେବା. ବଟ୍ ଦେନ୍ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଅଲୱେଜ୍ ଥଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଅ ଭେରି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଡାଇମେନସନ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଟୁଗେଦର. ମୋ ପାଇଁକି ମୋର ଥଟ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍, ମୁଁ କ'ଣ ଭାବେ ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ, ସେଇଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ଉପରେ ରହିଛି ଦେନ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ପିପଲ୍ ଥିଙ୍କ ଅଫ୍ ମି. ବିକଜ ମୋତେ ମୋର ଲାଇଫ୍ର ଏଥିକ୍ସ, ଆଉ ମୋତେ ମୋ ଲାଇଫ୍ର କ'ଣ ତାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତି, ମାନେ
Your way of life.
I have a way of my life, and I think I'm not doing any harm to anyone.
Correct.
So I live in my own terms. I have nothing कि मते मैंने काली सकाळ को गोटे पूरा कौन गोटे करदेवी. I want to keep going. I never want to stop. I want to be remembered as someone that people look up to, and I want someone from Odisha to put that name in Bollywood कि भाई ओडिशा रो गोटे झियोटे थिला भाई बढ़िया काम करथला. That is my whole purpose, because when I go and work in Bombay, technicians छाड़ी देले on screen केही नाहंती. You name one two people, not even that people know them properly. There are a lot of artists, there are a lot of good artists, but popularity wise ho ba good bada project wise ho, there are very less Odias in Bollywood, what I feel. So my whole purpose is कि ये सब जिनसा तो चलिबो, but my goal, what I'm doing in life and what I'm planning to do in Bombay, that should never be interrupted. So I keep going कि हाँ ठीक अछि, noise तो हबो, लोक माने केंका करिवे टिके तांको असुविधा तो लागिबो.
Now, taking a cue from there, taking a cue from there, ମୁଁ पर्सनली ଫିଲ୍ କରିଛି ଯେ वी ଓଡ଼ିଆଜ୍ ମାନେ ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଆମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଗୋଟେ ବଲିଉଡ଼ରେ ଦରକାର,
ନିହାତି
ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହେଇନି,
ହଉଛି,
କିନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ
ଧୀରେ
ଓଡ଼ିଆ
ଧୀରେ।
ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି.
ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି. ସୁବାସ ସାହୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ହି ଇଜ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଟପ୍ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଡିଜାଇନର ଅଫ୍ ବଲିଉଡ୍. There are amazing people. There are Pitabash is there. He's doing fabulous job as an
Fabulous.
actor, and there are
His
a lot
Monkey
of.
Man is coming
But
up.
you can just count 3-4 of them. So that is the stereotype, and that is the thing that I want to break out. कि नहीं भाई आम कम्युनिटी रे भी बहुत talented लोक अछन. They all can do wonders. Reality shows रे जाउछन, सबुठ जाउछन. So like the Amazon thing happened, I debuted as a singer there. So that became like a very big thing there, and Amazon now wants to have more people from Odisha, because they got a lot of viewership from Odisha. Which kind of also it's a great thing, because Odisha ro loko mane kehi jai nahanti.
Correct.
And if I am having so much of social media following and people are there, people are looking up to things, so why not just जो कौन कहती माने intercultural गोटे जिनसटे build-up हो बोले is all what I am expecting.
So do you think you are very, very responsible with what you post and what you try to portray with your personality in the social media?
Definitely. See, social media is something which will always be a mixture of your professional and personal kind of shades, because sometimes you just want to put something out so that you can just let your emotions out. ମୁଁ ରାତିରେ କେତେବେଳେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ କଲା କ'ଣ ଥଟ୍ ଆସେ, ମୁଁ ଲେଖିକି ପକେଇଦିଏ, and I get like 100 and 200 of DMs. True, exactly, same. So
Amazing.
amazing. So ए relatability टा ପାଇଁ कि बहुत social media चले.
Sometimes happy birthday also.
But the other side of it, the work side of it, सेटा भी चलता है simultaneously. Social media is like a whiteboard for me. It's like a thought of the day.
So ଲୋକମାନେ କହନ୍ତି it's like my extended family. Most of the celebrities.
Definitely,
ସେମାନେ
but
କହନ୍ତି.
it is more like your presence in the world. What I feel
But
right
when you are
now.
at home, ତମେ
Yeah.
କେମିତିଆ?
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ
When you are with your parents.
with my parents also, and social media ଯେହେତु ମୁଁ କହିଲି କି ସେଠି ଆମର emotions and all we put it out, I am kind of the same person actually, because
Acha.
and that is why I feel a lot of people relate.
There's not much mask.
There is actually no mask. ମୋ ଘରେ ବି ମାନେ ଥିଲା ବେଳେ ମୋ ଘରେ ବି ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଜିନିଷ, ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ବି ସବୁ ପାଗଳଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ କାହିଁ ହେଉଛୁ. ସୋ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଅ ସର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ୍ ପାଗଳ ଇନ୍ ମାଇ ହାଉସ୍ and a certified pagal in my friends also. But I think they're obsessed with that pagalpan. That's why they love me.
Your social media fans are ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ଦେଖିଛି, while working with you, I have gone into your posts and I've gone into your engagements, number of comments and
Yeah.
stuff.
It's
They're
good.
very loyal.
Yeah.
And they are with you. What do you want to tell them, through this podcast?
मत एक्चुअली तांको कुछ कहवा दरकार भी नहीं. मैंने द काइंड ऑफ मेसेजेस दैट आई गेट, आई कैन शो यू सम एसेज, paragraphs of messages. When माने मोर संगे किछि पर्सनल जिंस हेले जहाँ भी हेले, I get messages कि दीदी whatever it is we feel you. We have been through. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଜୀବନରେ କିଛି ନା କିଛି ହଉ ହି ଥାଏ. ଲାଇକ୍ ତମ ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଥାଇପାରେ, ମୋ ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଥାଇପାରେ, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ କିଛି ନା କିଛି ଗୋଟେ କାଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଚାଲିଥାଏ. ବଟ୍ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ସତରେ ବାହାରକୁ ଆଣିପାରନ୍ତିନି. ଦେ ଥିଙ୍କ वी विल बी जज्ड. बट एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग अ ह्यूमन, इट इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल टू हैव सच इश्यूज इन लाइफ. ମୁଁ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟାରୁ କ'ଣ ବହୁତ କ୍ଲିଅର୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ହଁ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ତ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ସମ୍ଭାଳି ନେବା. So that is the thing that I feel people are very connected with me कि हाँ भाई याको किसी करी होबनी. माने
How do you treat
really
fear?
doesn't care about things.
How do you treat fear? Because ଏଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛି, because I have seen your graph, your career, your journey, your recent past journey, and you have been through that phase,
Yeah.
and you know, when you talk about problems will get you anxiety,
Yeah.
will get you fear of getting judged, fear of getting hated. How do you deal with that? ମାନେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ତମେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର କେମିତି କର, ଡିଲ୍ କେମିତି କର, how do you maintain your sanctity inside?
I think my parents and my friends, as I said, ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଆଉ ମୋ ମାନେ ନନା ବୋଉ ତ they have always been very very supportive, and ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ actually ମୋତେ ସବୁବେଳେ pull ମାନେ they kind of pull me back from any bad situation in like a snap. They always make me realize my worth. ନିଜର wordଟାକୁ ଟିକେ ବହୁତ ଲେଟ୍ରେ ଜାଣିଲି। ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଗଲିବଲ୍, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଭେରି ଗଲିବଲ୍ ଏଜ୍ ଅ ପର୍ସନ୍। ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ନୋ ଇଗୋ, ନୋ ଆଟିଟ୍ୟୁଡ୍, ନଥିଙ୍ଗ। ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଅ କ୍ଲିୟର୍ ସ୍ଲେଟ୍, ବଟ୍ always misunderstood. So that is why my friends have played a very big role in that. But I think now friendship, for me, love is friendship. Friendship is love. That's all.
Absolutely. Prakriti, mate ko how important is money for you? I mean, what is your equation with money?
I have zero savings and people don't believe it. But I earn a lot and ମାନେ ମୋତେ ଯେତିକି ଦରକାର ଆଉ ମୋର ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ବି ତାର ଡବଲ୍। ମାନେ ମୋର ଚାଦରଠୁ ବେଶୀ ମୋର ଗୋଡ଼ଟା, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଇ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱେ। ମାନେ ମୋତେ କୁହନ୍ତି ଚାଦର ଦେଖିକି ଗୋଡ଼ ଦେଖିକି ଚାଦର ଫେଲା, I don't believe in that. I think the more kharcha you do, the better money you get. I think having money, having financial independence is the biggest asset that you can actually have. Not that you should have a lot of savings. I mean, please don't have a lot of savings. I won't suggest you. And not that I don't have. It's because please enjoy your life. And but again it depends कि तुमको केमती तुम पैसा खर्च करार अच्छी। मत पैसाटा हाथ में रही मोर हाथ एमती खाली केमतीटा खर्च हम एमती हुए मु। बट या फिनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस काइंड ऑफ हैज सेव्ड मी इन दिस होल प्रोसेस। लोक मानकर बहुत थाए माने थॉट्स अबाउट यू नो पैसा ये वो। आई थिंक money has never been an issue in terms of having my set of happiness, my share of happiness. I can be happy with 5 rupees Maggie also, and I can be happy with 5 lakh thing also. So the money cannot be the reason of my happiness
But
ever
it doesn't
in life.
affect you much.
Not at all. I don't care about money कि मते बहुत पैसा दरकार, मते टिके पैसा दरकार। मो सांग माने खाई पी के आमे चिल करले सेति खा।
Does competition affect you? You here, see, समझते कौन जी मैं तो खुद के साथ मु निजे साथी रे compete करची।
मु निजो competition and all this is bullshit. There is competition. There's a lot of competition. The only thing what I feel, because Bombay रे ना जो the day I went there, I understood the game. कि मो भलिया 100टा अछंती। What makes me different is my own identity and the way I move in my life. That is different than other people. So competition is definitely there, but the more you evolve as an actor or as an artist, as a human being outside, what do you feel that ki it's always moving together. It is never like यारे यारो मु याकु टिके धक्का मारी के आगु पळेबी। You will not reach far. You will not go or reach where you actually want to reach. It's always, if you're holding 3-4 people's hand, you reach to one destination very peacefully. तो मते लगे कि competition जगह collaboration is something that we need in this time, in this particular state. So what I feel एठी कौन हुए ना कि गोटे हीरोइन आ गोटे हीरोइन संगे काम करिया को बहुत कें का करंती कि नहीं तार केतेडा सीन आमर केतेडा सीन ए सब जिनस टिके एठी चले। बाहर कौन अरे मु एटा करि पारुनी तमे गोटे काम कर प्रकृति को नहीं जाओ। So that is the difference between mindsets, which I am trying for everyone to actually understand here. Like Kuhudi, you won't believe Supriya suggested my name for that, like when they were doing the casting.
Amazing.
Yeah, so and that was something that kind of I felt, oh, finally there is somebody who is not thinking that I'm a competition. We can both grow
afraid,
together.
you know?
Who is not afraid, because she's very secured, and there are very few people those who think that way. So I feel it's very very important to have collaboration than to have competition. Competition छुआ बेले होतला एबे आउ मेरा के मैटर करिवनी आउ सब आजकल बहुत स्मार्ट बहुत टैलेंटेड एवरीवन इज इक्वली कैलिब्रेट and so we don't need to compete. I think we need to collaborate right now.
Nicely put. Bani, it's a tough journey.
It is a very tough journey.
Because तमे mental sanctity रखी कि ना you know, failure astu tapare chalthibo. Do you meditate?
I'm always alone. Like, I don't have to even meditate. I am always alone. Even if I'm with friends, even if I'm with my parents, even if I'm anywhere in the world, I have learned the art of being alone. तो मते बहुत डिफिकल्ट मोर ध्यान भंग करने आगु होता आगु बहुत विचलित होती मो लाइफ रे माने मत लगुला कि अरे सब किसी बहुत सब हो लाइफ रे
Because rejections brings in a lot of depression.
I've been through shit in my life, like shit and things that I
And the
don't
biggest
even want to.
example, Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yeah, that case was very different, and मैंने from him also I've learned a lot of things to replying to everyone. He was a very humble artist, and that's why he's remembered the way he's remembered right now. I feel rejection and all these are very important to build you as an actor as well.
Prakriti, how do you take rejections? Rejections are a part of your life, part of any artist's life. Artist mane rejection mili, you get selected, you don't get selected.
It's equally like having a breakup. So yeah, I'm like I'm prone to that. So mate rejection ta ete besi affect kareni कारण मु जानी जे को रोल पाई फिट हेबी न हेबी सबु जगह निजर माने एमती भी भाबे कथा नहीं जारे I was the best. So this rejection kind of keeps you humble, what I feel. That okay, you're good, but there's somebody who is also better than you. So you need to pull up your socks to, like be more better. So yeah, like that's the whole process. लोक मैंने हारी जाती रिजेक्शन रू फेड़ी की पड़े आसती बहुत बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो जाती बट यू नीड टू हैव पेशेंस एंड होप और गोटे रातिर जिनस हो जाए एंड मत तो लगे मोर भाग्यटा टी बेसी घोरिया पड़ू मत मैंने सबकि ठीक था कि समटाइम्स आई फिल लाइक कि आई शुड बी आई डिजर्व अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड सेटा सब हो ही नहीं जाए बट आई एम वेरी वेरी होपफुल दैट कि कमिंग इयर्स रे सबकि बकेट लिस्ट रे टिक करा
ड्रीम टू बिकम एक्ट्रेस एंड इट्स नॉट अ इजी राइड.
Not at all. Not at all.
But a dream is a dream.
Absolutely.
तमे तांको कौन कहू चाहबो से पिला मान को जो माने एक्टर होबा चाहउचंती they want to be a star, an actor, they want to make a career out of acting. तमे कौन कहू चाहबो?
All I want to say is that don't networking, socializing, I mean just network as much as you can. Don't get personally indulged with anybody so easily. If जदि कि बाहर को जाउछन्ती काम करिया को भी ओडिया झियो बा ओडिया पुओ जो माने आमर एठू जाई कि बाहर काम करिया चाहउछन्ती फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट डोंट सिट एट होम go meet people, meet the right set of people because मोर 5-6 वर्ष पड़े खाली एया खोजिबारे जे who are my kind of people to work with. It is very important to know your group there. And आमे जिते भी कह दो कि जहाँ भी हमें कह दो अरे इंडिविजुअल ये वो यू हैव टू हैव a set of people who are backing you up, who are supporting you, who are there for you. And ताकू build up करने पे कि you need to socialize, you need to be a good friend, you need to be a sensible person enough, do workshops. Don't waste your time waiting for someone to come and give you a break कि अरे मैं तुम्हें रातों रात स्टार बना दूंगा. कोई रात भर स्टार नहीं बनाता है. रात भर बस उल्लू बनाएंगे, स्टार तो कोई नहीं बनाएगा. बट ऑल यू कैन डू इज मो पाई तो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस मो सांग मान संगे बहुत काम कर इन बॉम्बे ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो जो मान संगे काम कर दे हैव ऑल बिकम माई फ्रेंड्स. सो हैविंग द राइट सेट ऑफ पीपल इन योर ग्रुप लाइक इन योर फ्रेंड सर्कल एंड ऑलवेज रीचिंग एट द राइट प्लेस इन द राइट टाइम. That is very important and it is very personal to people. को टाइम रे मते कौन इंट्यूशन आसुची सेटा सामना वाला को अलग इंट्यूशन आस पर था. बट दिस इज 1-2 things I always say. Secondly, I would like to say, please don't shy or don't be embarrassed to say that you are from Odisha. If you are from Odisha and going and working outside, that will be the only reason that they will actually notice you because there are very few people from Odisha. मते बहुत जगह सजेस्ट कराई थी अरे तुम एक काम करो तुम बोलो तुम दिल्ली से हो तुमको ज़्यादा काम मिलेगा. But I have always told them that my talent has nothing to do with
Boundaries,
the place that I come from. Yeah. It's just gonna give the other person the comfort कि अच्छा हमारे घर की है. But I don't think that's any kind of समथिंग दैट आई नीड टू प्रिटेंड. मतलब मैं 10 साल से हूँ बॉम्बे में, उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता मैं कहाँ से हूँ. मेरा घर है ओडिशा पर मैं 10 साल से यहाँ हूँ, आधा घर ये भी है मेरा. So I feel you should never shy out from, revealing your own identity. And that's something that is very, very important. Bahare lokamane, they really appreciate if you talk about your cultures.
And parenting
Yeah.
plays an important role.
Very
तो
true.
से and obviously गोटे parent को लागिबो tension लागिबो डर लागिबो
Yeah.
because they are trying to draft curate a career.
Correct.
तो से parents मान को कौन कहबो?
I think to all the parents जो मैंने भी देखुछन ना, just don't give it some time. जो मैंने को acting रे बा कला क्षेत्र रे जिबार अछि, बहुत भल काम हुए, बहुत बढ़िया पैसा मिले, बहुत रेस्पेक्ट मिले, सब किसी ठीक अच्छी, आ बहुत ग्लैमर भी अच्छी एठी, like which can actually kind of make you blind sometimes. But if you're true to your craft and बाहर ଟିକେ comfortable because ସମସ୍ତେ ସେଠି ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା vibe ରେ ଚାଲନ୍ତି and ଏତେ ସେଠି jealousy ଆଉ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ଟିକେ କମ୍ ବାହାରେ, what I feel. So yeah, I mean parents need to be just a little relaxed and give some time. एमती राताराति किसी ହେଇଯିବନି, ଟିକେ टाइम दरकार, ଟିକେ समय दरकार सब जिनस को डेवलप हवा पाई and they should support them. I mean I think ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ କୁହେ କି ମୋ ନନା ବୋଉ ମୋତେ କେବେ ବି କେଉଁ ଜିନିଷରେ ମନା କରିନାହାନ୍ତି, ସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ ସପୋର୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କି ଆଜି ଯାଏଁ ସେ ହସଲଟା ଆଜି ଯାଏଁ ବି ମୋର ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଆଗଟା ଏ ଯାଏଁ ମାନେ ବର୍ନ ହେଉଛି ବିକଜ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଅଏଲ୍ଡ ଭେରି ୱେଲ୍, ମୋର ମାନେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍ଡ ୱେଲ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ମାଇ ପେରେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଦେ ସପୋର୍ଟ ମି ଅ ଲଟ୍. ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଇମ୍ପର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ your parental support plays a very big role in your career, very very big role. And lastly, I would like to say, please keep a pepper spray whenever you go anywhere outside, please. Like there are a lot of creeps outside and please gote nijara sabubale safety nahi ke please bahare move karo, eta mu sabubale kuhe, please carry some kind of spray just in case कोई भी आके तुम्हें डस ले तो उसके मुंह पे मार देना.
Now we just spoke about craft. How do you upgrade your craft? How do you better your craft?
Workshops, watching good series. Mostly I learn my craft from seeing other people, like picking up traits from other characters, like real time characters from my friends, from my people that I meet randomly, strangers, anybody, that can be anybody. तो मेरा observation skills मोर टिके अधिका, मैंने I observe a lot and
I think it's different for different
any time. Yeah, like ମୁଁ ଏବେ मतलब ଯେତେ डांस practice ମୁଁ बहुत दिन କରୁନଥିଲି, but now I'm again back with my work, like workshops, like I'm rehearsing dance, ओडिसी practice କରୁଛି. So ସେଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ again ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ଛୁଆ ବେଳୁ କରି ଆସିଛି, it kind of taps back, tap on କରିଦିଏ ଯାଏ कि अरे active एमती ही जाए. बाकी craft तो
So you watch a lot of films?
I watch a lot of films. I'm a big film lover. Like
ओडिया फिल्म्स भी रेगुलरली देखो?
बिल्कुल भी नुहे. आउ एबे देखिबा आरंभ करछि बोले मते बहुत खुशी लागुछि. मु टिकट काट के निजे जाके त्रिकन्या देखिली, जाजाबर 2 देखिली, बिगुल देखिली, and I loved all of them. Trikanya was really interesting, like one of the best Odia films I've seen so far. इतने बढ़िया करचंदी. मते बहुत वर्ष पर इच्छा हला सिनेमा जाके देखिया पाई कि which is a great fact.
Okay, and so Trikanya is your recent favorite?
Absolutely. Like loved it. बहुत भल लगे. इतने दिन पर गोटे कहानी मैंने 3टा अलग कहानी तो भारी इंटरेस्टिंग लगे. मैंने लगे नेटफ्लिक्स रे बसिक देखला भलिया गोटे ओडिया सिनेमा.
All right, so we had a great time.
Yes, we did.
मते बहुत बढ़िया लगला. Thank you for coming to the summit with Samit, and knowing you was amazing.
Thank you so much for having me in your podcast, and I'm really glad कि we could speak something really different than what we are usually asked and we discuss about. So good, बहुत interesting summit you have, and I really hope that we again meet for some amazing podcast and for some amazing topic. So मुझे जहाँ explore or experience करेगा सी भी, I'll talk to you, come here and speak with you only.
Yes, and so that the whole idea is through conversation, let us spread positive vibes.
Yeah.
Let us educate people. Let us send them trivias from the globe.
Yeah, absolutely.
And let us help them, and let us make them better people.
Yeah, and let us just talk to things that we really need to talk.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let us vent out.
Let's just vent out.
Unconditionally vent out.
Yeah.
Thank you, and be a rebel the way you are.
I
be,
will.
Be fearless the way you are.
I will. Thank you so much for
And,
having me.
Yeah. So thank you, Prakriti Mishra.
Thank you so much.
It was amazing. Thank you.